Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This company is hiring people to process data. We're going to dive all into it. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who could benefit from this, please share with all your friends and family because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Vail Resorts. Vail Resorts has 2,300 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a retail data processor. Now, if you go all the way down to the bottom, it says remote work is currently permitted in the British of Columbia and the 16 United States in which they currently operate. These include California, Colorado, Indiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, New Hampshire, New York, Nevada, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Utah, Vermont, Washington State, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. So if you're in one of those states, this is a remote work from home job for you. But if you're in one of those states, Vail Resorts is looking for you to help do data processing by entering SKUs or SKUs and orders into the system. You'll execute on internal standards and processes, setting up order writing tools, creating and maintaining the SKU data, and managing order data on tight deadlines. So you'll be performing and optimizing the SKU setup, maintenance, and order writing tools for all of the stakeholders, which are both their vendors and merchants, to leverage data in this role. You're going to source, organize, and use that current and future seasoned vendor product line, including the UPCs and pricing, to create and maintain the SKUs. You'll enter and revise the retail purchase orders accurately by deadlines, identifying and making any recommendations on gaps and opportunities in existing processes to collaborate with your supervisor and the retail data processing team. So if you've ever went shopping and they've got that little barcode that you scan to check out with, those numbers on the bottom of those barcodes are SKUs, and that tells the computer system exactly what item that is. So a lot of companies use this to process their inventory. So when the trucks come in, they put in the computer system, they have like 50 of these, and every time one is scanned and checked out, the computer system automatically removes one of those, showing correct inventory at all times. So you're going to be basically setting up all of these product lines for these vendors in the system with those barcode SKUs. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience, but is anywhere from $20 an hour up to $22.76 an hour. Best part is, even though they prefer college degree like bachelor degree, it's not required. Only high school diploma or GED, and experience with technology like Microsoft Office, Excel, Outlook is needed. You do have to have strong communication skills and great English skills with the proven ability to identify problems, gaps, or propose solutions. So basically be a problem solver. Now, on top of the pay, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, feel free to always leave down below in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give me that feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.